go 1. It becomes like this. Just that you can set it. Carry, block, control. You know, once you get the movement, speed up a little bit. Damn. I don't want to have to move his hand. I want him to move his hand voluntarily because he feels he has to. So, draw that, and the heishugata Tensho. I have to pull the movement back, and that way I can. That way, Sanchin pushes. And then pull, and like that. Tensho, on the other hand, it has all of that, but it also has, that's why Tensho is so important to keep the elbow. You start to get drills that look like this.
That hook, I'm really using my legs.
But look. Hakie is the ultimate connector drill. Let's come to here. I'm now to his outside line. I can do things like this. I can just decide to forward. Then I'm going. It's the open of that. A Sanchin. Wake up soon.
My question was, how does Tensho work into kata?
Kakie, I'm turning. That's really.
So just drill that Tensho down. Both sides. With Tensho, it's more like okay. That is as much chew down or draw down. There's no reason why you cannot introduce those right from the beginning. That's okay. There's strengthening it up where you're still doing the technique, but you're practicing proper body mechanics. What? You have to do. What's that feeling? We're going to attack. Because it goes like that.
To this point inside, hit, and then my elbow, bam. ありがとうございました。